How to add Flair on Reddit, meaning I'm going to show you how to create one, edit it, and also how to remove it. First, what we need to do, we need to create a Flair. I'm gonna choose this community where I am a moderator, and then just simply click on Mod Tools. If you scroll all the way down, you will find User Flair, and here we can create a new Flair. We need to first enable User Flair like this, and then we need to click on plus. I'm gonna create a Flair AI image. Then you can here choose a color. Let's go. And then click on this widget. And here you can choose if moderator only can edit this Flair, or you can allow user edit this Flair. I'm gonna choose only moderator can edit this Flair for now, and simply click on save. Next, we got a Flair here, go back, and now I'm gonna click on this post. Then these three dots will show up here, click on it, and next, add post Flair. Now we can see the Flair here, we can choose the Flair, and click on apply. So as you can see, under the title, there is a post Flair AI image. And that's it, this is how can you create one and edit one. If you want to remove it, just simply go back. Again, Mod Tools. Scroll all the way down until you find User Flair. Next, simply click on this. And then you can delete like this. Confirm delete. Remember, not every community has this option to create a Flair or edit Flair or add a Flair. So if you don't see the Flair there, community decided to not use this Flair, so that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button, and have a nice day. See you later.